In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $400 a month staking Ethereum. It's actually a lot easier to stake Ethereum than you might actually think it is, but not all staking options are created equally. And some are much harder and much more complicated with much more expensive requirements than others. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 easy options to start earning a passive income on your Ethereum. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, I would highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel. And if you can spare just one quick moment, smash that thumbs up button. That'd be super awesome for the YouTube algorithm. So let's get into this topic of Ethereum staking. By the way, links to all the services that I'll be discussing today are down below in the description. And of course, none of this is sponsored, just free information for you to succeed in your crypto investing journey. Let's start off by discussing the hard and expensive way to stake Ethereum, which is by staking directly into the network. This requires 32 Ethereum. That's just like a cool $55,000, $60,000, depending on where the price of Ethereum is when you watch this video. Obviously, if you bought Ethereum when it was $100, it's gonna cost you a lot less, but if you're buying it now, pretty expensive. You do need also to download the blockchain, so you have to have a computer dedicated to that specific source. You need at least some kind of technical knowledge to actually be able to set this up. So if you don't have that, you're going to be struggling a little bit. You also need to know the risks in terms of if your validator goes offline, you might get penalized. You could actually lose part of your stake. Your Ethereum will also be inaccessible for at least a year until Ethereum 2.0 is completed. So a lot of downsides here to staking directly in the deposit contract. You get the feel goods of supporting the network directly. The one upside here is also that if you're happy to lock your Ethereum up and you have 32 Ethereum and you have the technical knowledge, then you will earn the most possible rewards in the most direct way possible by supporting the network directly with your stake. And those rewards are currently around 7.9% a year. Depending on the price of Ethereum, that actually works out to being around $400 a month for your 32 Ethereum stake. Now, the rate of return that is going to start dropping as more and more people stake Ethereum into the network. The hard way is not the only way to do it, though, which is good news for you. There are lots of services that will help you stake your Ethereum. Some do it for a fee. Some do it for a percentage or a set dollar fee of your total rewards. Some are decentralized protocols. Some are centralized exchanges. Some of them will give you a proxy token that you can, sell or trade or use to yield farm. Some of them leave you locked in for the whole term of Ethereum 2.0 with nothing to show for it. So lots of options and different factors to consider here. Let's start off by talking about these centralized services. Both Binance and Kraken, 2 major exchanges, offer Ethereum 2.0 staking services. I'm going to be discussing in this video how to stake on Binance. If you are based in the USA, you're going to need to use something like Kraken if you want to go with the centralized option. The process is very similar, although there is no proxy token for American users, so you're just locked in for all that time. You don't have any liquidity during this period, and you have to pay a 15% fee, which is not cool. You can thank the SEC for making it difficult for you, whereas Binance is not charging any fees to run the service and gives a proxy token, which is why we are talking about Binance today. So staking on Binance, super easy process. Just go up to the finance section, click on Binance Earn, then click on the Ethereum 2.0 option, then click on Stake Now. It's really super easy. You'll see that you're going to be getting something called BETH or BETH, Binance Ethereum, in exchange for your Ethereum stake. This is a Binance Ethereum proxy token issued at a 1-to-1 rate. You give them 1 Ethereum, they'll give you back 1 BETH. Now, the pros of staking via an exchange like Binance are that you do get a proxy token, so you can actually get liquidity. You can actually go out and trade that token. You can earn yield on that token, all waiting for Ethereum 2.0 launch. You can actually make more money on your money, increasing your yield if you take that BETH token and start doing some yield farming with it. So that's pretty cool. It's also ridiculously easy to use, just like a few clicks and you're done. That's it. Much easier than setting it up directly. The downside, obviously, Binance is a centralized service. You're trusting them to properly manage the stake without getting slashed and to protect your Ethereum. The risk is very low. Binance is a very professional service, but still a consideration for you to keep in mind. I personally think that this is probably one of the best options for most of you who want to do staking, because you abstract away all the technicalities and you just go straight in, set it up, and start earning. The next option is to use a decentralized service to earn some staking rewards. The idea is very similar. They do the hard work for you, for a small fee, of course, and you get some sweet rewards. Now, for this video, I'm going to be discussing Lido Finance. They charge 10% fees, and they give you out a proxy token in exchange for your stake. For those who like decentralized services, or perhaps for Americans looking for a good option, you can use this. This is a good option for you. Other popular services include Anchor, which has a bit higher fees, but is a more known and reputable company. Cream Finance, another one, they've got lower fees, but have had some, security issues in the past. The downsides to using a service like Lido is, of course, you are exposed to smart contract failure, which is a regular feature of the DeFi ecosystem, although they are working with a company to ensure that your stake doesn't get slashed, so that's cool at least. Also consider the higher fees you have to pay, not just the high platform fees, right? They're going to take 10%, but you also have to pay Ethereum gas fees. Now, at the time of recording this video, you would have had to have paid around $32 to stake your Ethereum via the Lido platform. And although Lido is one of the cheaper DeFi platforms when it comes to fees that they charge, you can still see that it's 10%, which, that does add up quite a bit over time. As you can see here too, the interface, really user-friendly. You're going to need a MetaMask wallet or a similar wallet to interact with this platform. MetaMask is probably the best one, so I'd recommend that. Very, very simple here. Just type in how much Ethereum you want to stake, then click on stake, and that's it. Super, super easy. Now, in exchange for your stake, you're going to receive the Steth, S-T-E-T-H token, which is Lido's Ethereum 2.0 proxy token. You can use this, of course, to get more yield by using DeFi services to do yield farming or liquidity provisions. So again, increasing your total yield from your stake while also staking in Ethereum 2.0. This is a pretty straightforward service from a decentralized platform. It's nice, it's easy. I think it's a great option for people looking for a decentralized way to stake their Ethereum 2.0. Now, am I using any of these options currently? No, none of them. Okay, Lark, lol, why not? Why not? Well, I'm just lending out my Ethereum on BlockFi right now. I think it's literally the easiest option when it comes down to it. Don't have to worry about any proxy tokens or any stuff like that. Although the current rate at 5.25%, not as high as you can get with actually staking your Ethereum directly in the network. So, and of course, lending's not staking, it's a different risk profile. Although both of these services do offer a good rate of return. With lending, you're giving your crypto out to be used for things like market arbitrage, whereas with staking, you're actually supporting the network directly by, funding validators in the network. That being said, a return is a return, and I prefer the flexibility and the security with lending over on BlockFi. Now, if you want to join me over on BlockFi, use the link down below in the description. You can start your account, and you can get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus credited to your account. Your question for today: what cryptocurrencies are you staking right now, and what rewards are you getting from your stake? I know there's lots of different coins that we can be staking out there. Ethereum 2.0 is a little more complicated in terms of staking than a lot of other coins. Something like Cardano, for example, super easy to stake from the wallet. But what coins are you staking? I'm very curious to know what coins you're staking and the rates of return that you're getting. Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.